Aloha, talofa, malolele, kia ora, kia orana, and bula. Welcome! Moana is a Polynesian inspired movie, and today we have Polynesian traditional foods that you will see at almost every Polynesian gathering or in their household. So we have palusami, or also known as lu or luau, which is made out of taro leaves, and inside is usually coconut cream with onion and meat. But I believe this one has no meat. It's a taro leaf. So we also have fa'i or siaine, which is a green banana in coconut. So here we have galo or talo in coconut cream, which is taro. Here we have ota or oka, and this is raw fish in coconut cream with some tomatoes. Some do cucumber, whatever you fancy. We have sweet potato or kumara, more galo taro, which is in the oven, baked taro, geke boa or pork bun. But I believe that's actually geke mamoi, which is lamb. We have pankeke or keke site, like a Polynesian donut, I guess. This is muli pipi or turkey tail. We have mamoi, which is lamb ribs. Tapu suey, which is chop suey, made out of vermicelli noodles. Pua'a or puaka, which is pork. Here's bovi masima, which is salted beef or silverside. And here we have some desserts. Pineapple pie and steamed pudding, which is called butengi or bulengi, one of those, wherever you come from. Don't butcher me for my pronunciation. But other than that, let's dive in.
I forgot otai or otai, but a Tongan drink made out of, I mean, I think it depends who makes it, I guess, but usually fruit, watermelon, pineapple, some do peaches. Some Tongans also that I know make apple otai as well, which is pretty good. But this one here is a watermelon otai. Main ingredient other than fruit is water, and some put condensed milk in it as well. That's why it has the milky look to it. Maybe some do coconut milk too. So, so refreshing.
This sauce, the OG spicy sauce. OG hot sauce with the pork. Then some dessert. Pineapple pie and Even if I tried to eat all this, I couldn't. I'm so full. If you want a great weight sesh, eat this food. Nonetheless, Moana came out last week and I'll be taking my daughter to go watch it this week, which I can't wait. So my aircon is too loud. That's why I can't have it on while I eat. But I can have this fan in between breaks. Whoop, but it's dying. Okay, well that just great. Thank you. Exactly what I needed. Is it just me or does protein make you sweat? They call it protein sweat spot. Just the most I've talked in my videos. Because I do try to just make videos of just eating. Because I don't feel like I'm a great storyteller. Or I don't feel like I have interesting things to talk about. I feel like I'm boring. But anywho, if you want to see more of these, that's where I talk and eat, let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if Moana was good or not. Like, what nationality is Moana? I thought she was Hawaiian. Many people are debating that. Thanks again for watching. Really appreciate every one of you that watch my videos and has subscribed. See you in the next video. Bye bye.